Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you may be. All right, so I.A.E. Um, Star Citizen Intergalactic Aerospace Expo Day 9, the last um, uh, manufacturer actual floor day, and then tomorrow is Best in Show and Weapons and Armor. So I have no idea what that's going to be like, so we'll see. But last actual day of ships display, it is 12:54 p.m. for me. For the last like hour and a half or so, been trying to get here, but yeah, it's Star Citizen Alpha plus is an event, so it's been a day. So, anyways, okay, someone left helmet around. We have Anvil, finally. And I think I see back there what I've been waiting for. Yes, the Terrapin Medic, or the Metapin as I call it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and rent these ships, and then we'll do videos. And after I see what the Metapin actually costs, I may be actually making a new purchase, in-game purchase. Well, not in-game because I ain't got the money in-game. Plus, from what I've been told by my compatriots who have been playing this game far longer than I have, that when the upcoming 4.0 comes, uh, anything that has been bought in game will be gone. So in other words, real money, baby. All things that are real money, of course, will be saved. Anything in game, ships, armors, etc., will be null and void. But again, seeing as this game is mainly player supported, that makes sense. Yeah, look at her. Yeah, we'll get a better look at her later. And then, of course, let's go take a look at rent the regular Terrapin. And of course, if it's, as always, my apologies if it's a little choppy. I mean, part of that is the game, but probably more so, I've come to really think is my system. Because as I've said in a couple other videos, if any of y'all happen to have watched them, my compatriots, including my brother, have kind of been like, how in the world am I actually running this game even semi decently with my computer specs? Okay, so neither of the halls here are extended, so I guess it's just because I forget how many other Anvil ships there are. So halls 2 and 3, and let's downstairs. So let's go ahead and how do I want to do this? I guess we'll go downstairs and then we'll go into the other halls, which ultimately is going to be, I think, put me in the back. So, oh, and I got to get something to drink soon. Alright, the Centurion.
Attention visitors to the Intergalactic Aerospace Expo. Please take care
Intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic. Okay, the display hall, which I believe there's a ship that I know my brother was really hoping to see, but apparently from, the Paladin, from what someone else had told us, is only here in concept. So, let's see what we got here.
This is a friendly reminder that the Tobin Expo Center is a still free environment. Please
see. Gunship design. The Paladin is an intimidating frontline fight to make sure bold impact when arrives in battle, whether it's executing dangerous operations or leading the charge against overwhelming arms. With this powerful array of turrets and Organist, the Paladin is ready to ride to the rescue. Okay. Okay. Ooh, and what is this?
Gathering the latest
I mean,
and greatest
I know I've seen the image of this
across the
before.
Empire.
I'm not sure.
Intergalactic Aerospace Expo
Oh,
is where
Crucible.
spaceship enthusiasts come and
Okay, a
take flight.
so-called flying toolbox. The Crucible is its first dedicated repair shop. Oh, okay. So I know I've seen the concept art for this. The way it looked was kind of like, not a carrier, but kind of like, yeah, a ship for repairs where something could land on and whatnot. Okay, so yeah, mobile garage equipped with repair arms, a drone operations center, and all the equipment needed to overhaul a damaged craft back into shape. Okay. So repairs. Oh, we got a third one.
Stay aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings at all times. We want to make sure that your perfect day stays that way.
Okay, what is this? Cause oh, that's the Legionnaire. Oh, okay. Um, with an operations calls for hostile takeover from enemy vehicle or station. The Anvil Legionnaire is ready to report for duty. With 8 drop seats, versatile docking options, an advanced security infiltration system, even the most difficult of boarding actions is feasible with the Legionnaire in your fleet.
Thank you for visiting New Babbage's
From the
Tobin
way it
Expo
looks,
Center.
I'm getting,
Stand at the imminent
maybe it's just me, but
destination
I'm
of
getting
I.A.E.
major
exhibition.
aliens drop ship vibes. Oh, and a fourth one. Jesus. Okay, and what's this? Okay, it's the Crucible again. Why is the Crucible in 2 different ones? That's weird. Okay, anyways. I mean, they could have just had 3 things, but anyway. Is the map
Tobin
current
Expo Center
or
would like
old?
to
Okay,
remind
no, it is today.
everyone that the
It is
first
current.
step to fun is
So,
safety.
okay, all the Pisces
Walk
and
don't
stuff
run
are
while
in
exploring
the
the
other
halls.
rooms, and the Lightning and Valkyrie, so we'll go over there. Alright, so the Ballista. This over here for a second if anyone wants to read that. Okay.
This is a friendly reminder that the Tobin Expo Center is a STEM-free environment. Please refrain during your visit and have an amazing day.
Actually, okay, we'll just go around to go there, which, if I remember right, there's no other exit for Hall 2. And then we'll go through Hall 3 to the exit.
Please be mindful of other guests during your visit so that we can all
And
enjoy
yeah,
this
there
day
should be a
together.
stand in here where I can get a drink. Oh, yeah, of course. The current look today.
Tobin Expo Center would like to invite everyone to join in and help keep our halls looking their best for every guest. Please be sure to keep track of all your belongings and deposit any waste in the appropriate receptacles. Thanks!
Got here the Hawk. Huh. Have I seen the Hawk before? I don't know. Let's look. Hurricane. Again, I'm not. Never really looked, I guess, deep into Anvil before, so maybe they've always been here and they're just really new to me. Gladiator. the Arrow, I know.
Not to tip my hat to them as a manufacturer. Everything they have before is pretty impressive.
I really
And
appreciate
of
that they've
course,
got some of their
the
classic designs on display.
8 Pisces, which I've shown. I have one in the PTU. Regular Pisces. Expedition. Is there a... Out of curiosity, is there a regular one for comparison? I have to look on that map again.
Is he wanting to buy something like this?
Seeing it in person is a lot different than I imagined.
Yes, I know, I'm thirsty.
Hi, welcome to the store. Feel free to take a look around. We've got a pretty good selection. Hi.
What they brewing
Good to
back
have you
there?
back.
We got a garbage over here, coffee to go. Okay, good. Okay, so just the so for the Pisces itself, they just had the expedition instead of the regular. So that's fine.
Attention visitors to the Intergalactic Aerospace Expo. Please remember to stay hydrated while exploring the exhibits on display. For your convenience, a selection of beverages and tasty snacks are available for purchase in the lobby.
Spartan. Valkyrie. Dropship.
You can see the influence of some classic designers in the lines.
I can't imagine buying one, but it would definitely be fun to use for a weekend.
Alright, so that is the Anvil show floor. Let's just go back out here to the main hall.
Inspire a new generation of warriors to take to the skies.
I've been thinking of it long. Everything
And with that, actually, I think I'll take a shot there.
Gathering the latest and greatest from manufacturers across the empire, the Intergalactic Aerospace Expo is where spaceship enthusiasts come to take flight.
Alright, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and we'll be doing the Origin reviews, and of course the Anvil reviews. later on today and tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.